Change is constant and always happening at the workplace, in the world. Reorganizations. This used to happen every year in the company I used to work for before. The first time it happened, it seemed as if the whole world was shifting around us. And then with time, we got used to it. We adapted quicker and faster every time. In fact, we started looking for those reorganizations because mergers, acquisitions, and integrations, these can be a bit tricky depending on how they are handled and managed. Some integrations are smooth and friendly, while some are not. They take time and effort. Resistance and resentment can be very common. Strategy changes can happen in an organization where there's a strategy makeover with cascading changes and impact on others. There could be market changes where there are new competitors, new markets. There could be changes because leaders and managers have changed. They have new people have come in, or the existing leaders or managers have left the organization. There could be role changes where you've got a promotion or you have chosen to take up a different role and then so there are changing objectives and growth to look forward to. There could be workflow changes in the organization, process changes, project changes. They keep happening all the time. Some projects happen together for years and some are done in months or even weeks. So you could be changing projects, you could be changing locations within the same organization, or you could be moving from offsite to onsite or onsite to offsite, or working with different clients, a new client, a new culture, new work. And then there are changes that happen because of global events like the COVID crisis that we've just been going through for the last 2 years. The September 11 attack in 2001 was one such event that we personally went through when we lost 2 of our colleagues in the World Trade Center. Then there's also the 2008 financial crisis that had a huge impact. And then there is personal change, which is happens in everyone's life. The so good, not so good change, and it has impact not only on the individuals going through them, but also the team members and team who are connected with them, and it may actually impact the team as a whole at times, depending on the kind of change that is happening. So to help manage change and cope with change effectively, team members can work with the leads and managers and the organizations to ensure that the whole change process goes as smoothly as possible. Together, team leads and team members can work together to manage the change by taking initiative and responsibility, participating actively in discussions, by sharing feedback, asking questions, keep the communication constant and flowing, talk to one another, take inputs, support one another. These are different types of change one could encounter at the workplace. Having a well-defined and documented change management strategy helps a lot. Again, it needs to be customizable and adaptable to the type of change involved. These are different types of change one could encounter at the workplace. Having a well-defined and documented change management strategy helps a lot. Again, it needs to be customizable and adaptable to the type of change involved. And that's just to give a direction and guidance to people. Some of the points that need to be remembered while implementing a change strategy is to keep in mind that there will be resistance. So expect resistance to change, and resentment can be resistance to change, and then it could result into resentment. Communication needs to happen in an open, transparent way to eliminate misunderstandings, any tensions, anxiety, or flow of misinformation. Listening actively, asking questions, taking feedback really helps a lot. It also helps to clarify the issues involved, any changing priorities, share the big picture and direction at regular intervals, and also to leverage team members' individual talent and competence towards managing change. Empower them with decision making, keep moving forward, take tiny steps, big steps, keep making progress. This is key to managing change.